AJ, me know I watch Crackhead mad sauce in a dog. And mama lashing off in my road. It's
none of that. It's none of that. You know, mad system, no sussy boy, no chat boy. No nothing, nothing at all like that. No thing go, yeah? It's don't listen to Crocodile, wireless one.
Yes, my people. Now we're here, say. Masicka come out, come this up, mad sauce. Come talk about him, a crackhead and all these bag of things. But hear what me I say. You never know if you're this vibe, you're this mad sauce, I got this Vybz Kartel. What a problem in a camp. Yeah, man. But me I tell you, the man I come back or say this. Like say, him flip on Vybz Kartel side. And when I check it out, you know, see what I do. Josh him a link with. So when we talk about mind game, yes, so I don't know where I try to prove. You must want to run for your baddest one. A baddest artist ever title. You must run for. I wonder people look so. They look like Masicka. Want the baddest artist title. I mean, know people them don't give Vybz Kartel that. We have all tune all a drop. Man come out and this Nuffy the other day. Nuffy have to come back out come yarn. And me look at now. See man come this mad sauce. And it seems like man them done did say them part and relax. Now you come out and you're this mad so wicked. Say man about bites and all these kind of things. What kind of crazy things that war now looking at camp. Yeah, you just drop a throne in a studio. You run throne in a studio. And you make a man them a boss you up. Man them will boss you up, guess what happen? Them not nothing for lose. Nothing at all for lose. Nothing 0, 0, 0, 0 them have to lose. Believe it. Yeah man. When you see man them boost you up and boom 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 boom. Now you go pump up yourself. And go let out boy like balloon. The effects, the splinter. We fly off at seat and a mad sauce and Kartel crew them gone in there. Yes? And remember say I don't first laugh first, you know. So when the man them come after, you know. And I come with the defense, you know. That will be terrible. So just hope it work for you. Because it can work for you and it cannot work for you. Vybz Kartel no got it. Because you can come with a wicked set of punchline with Kartel no have it right now. Can't find anything done, they threw it out already. Although people this good, you know. Really and truly test what Vybz Kartel have. Yes? And this can bring out the best of Vybz Kartel, and the best of Masicka, and the best of Joshy. The Joshy the last himself in a crack. Because if them kick off a storm and say a pure music start hit and man start hit at one another. Left, right and center. After when the smoke clear, you know, some man now gonna be able to get up back, you know. Believe it. Yeah? Some man just able now gonna be able to get up back, none at all. Now I got my career I got done. You see what I say? So just him, I feel know what I do. because we don't go up against the Gaza Nation and Vibes Cartel and in team. A terrible thing, you know. I want dangerous weapon you play with. A Gaza. Some of them are come out with suicide things. Crazy for you. Eat you up alive. Yeah? I know you're supposed to see that already. Yes, my peeps. So, no matter jump up and feel happy. You know, get no reply yet. And when the man them start reply to you now, cause I know, you know, somebody a go reply and hit. And knowing Vibes Cartel, him can make you do a 7, 8, 9, 10. And then when you check it out, him count the 1 and kill your 10. You understand? You have to remember, you have to put that in a play. You can use 1 and kill your 10. Shell him out, shell him out, shell him out. Yes, man. Come and say, man, bad in a man. Man, I have my brain levels, you know. Yes, brother. Believe. Yep. Man have a different set of writing skill. A different set of pattern. Where you really see you know with it yet. Hey man, them have them style. Yes? I must see Sizzla Kalanji have a bad style. Writing skills. Yeah man. Dangerous, 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 dangerous. Yes? So as I go man, when Crown put out, people get upset with peeps. And when people get upset, and them a thing a go on all the time. And Jamaican easy if you get upset. Because then say Jamaican easy if you bad mind. Yes? You love Jordan, you wanna tap. Believe me man. So Joshy and Masicka. And I know what I do. Gaza Nation and Vibes Cartel and in team. So you hear them say world boss. You know Jamaica alone you go up to. Because Masicka, you know you're bad. You know you're bad. But when if you compare when Vibes Cartel put him brain to real together, if him have it. So I like when this happen, if you see if him have it or not. Because now he not really do a real tune where you have to listen to it and say, yo, that one you knock up from every corner. Yes? Some peeps, pick up on yourself. Welcome to Yardman TV News and Entertainment. Masicka. Make sure, warning before we left, make sure you make you them know say, them know if you kill off them one another. Because now come with the hashish set of tune. Remember Gaza and Gully thing? Now come with the hashish set of tune and the youth them have acted out. So now if you make way, you can do it tune and make it people them know say and so or so. And what I say, you could do it better than the last time. Yeah. You could do it better than the last time, so you don't have no injury and thing. Yes, I'll do that. Not even say that hell push it. But people don't know to ya man. Don't know. Yeah man. So big up on yourself. Overall. One love. Yardman TV. News and entertainment. Boom. I'm out.